Earlier this month, Tesla began delivering 98 megawatt-hours of Megapack batteries for the UK's largest energy storage project under construction. The facility in southeast England will provide 99 megawatts of power that will be stored in Tesla Megapack lithium-ion battery systems. According to Tesla, energy stored in its Megapacks will be used during the times of peak consumption or when energy production from renewables like solar or wind is relatively low. Tesla's energy storage system is specifically designed for grid stabilization. A single Megapack unit is capable of delivering up to 3 megawatt-hours of energy and comes with built-in bi-directional inverters, controls, a thermal management system, integrated power electronics, and Tesla's Autobidder AI software for real-time trading and control. Additionally, a Tesla Megapack is about 60% more energy dense compared to its Powerpack and comes on-site ready to install. With these properties, the battery system quickly became a perfect fit for Britain's large-scale energy storage projects. As recently reported by Bloomberg, Brits are currently in dire need for grid-scale energy storage solutions, especially following cases such as the price spikes experienced last week. The energy charges skyrocketed to record highs as renewables outplunged, causing coal and gas facilities to step in, but with a steep price. Grid-scale batteries, like the one under development in southeast England, would have been a more preferable option. But the Tesla Megapack installation in southeast England isn't the first large-scale battery in the country. Just recently, Energy Storage News announced that the American electric car maker will supply 68 megawatt-hours Megapack batteries to Fotowatio's second battery energy storage system in the UK. The Fotowatio Renewable Ventures has already partnered with Harmony Energy, a local developer, on a 34-megawatt Contego battery energy storage project near Burgess Hill in England. With a total of 28 Tesla lithium-ion battery systems, the 34-megawatt Contego battery storage facility will also utilize Tesla's Autobidder AI software and, once completed sometime this year, should become one of the largest energy storage plants in the UK. Both the Contego and the Clay Tye battery energy storage facilities are expected to be connected to UK Power Network's distribution network, facilitating energy storage and enhancing the flexibility of the national grid. Interestingly enough, FRV and Harmony Energy have also previously worked together on another battery storage project in Halls Bay in the UK. The facility, which has been supplying 15 megawatt-hours of energy over the past year, also uses 6 Tesla Megapacks and Autobidder AI software. So far, Harmony Energy boasts up to 1.2 gigawatt-hours of battery projects constructed in the UK, and it recently offloaded development rights to 50 megawatt of battery storage to SSE. On the other hand, FRV-X, the technology platform for Fotowatio's renewable venture, which is a part of Saudi Arabian industry group Abdul Latif Jameel Energy, boasts a total of 1 gigawatt-hours of battery storage projects across the globe. These plants also use Tesla Megapack lithium-ion batteries. Other large-scale battery energy storage plants in the United Kingdom include Zenobe Energy's 100-megawatt project in Capenhurst Chester, a 100-megawatt battery energy storage plant in Ireland developed by South Korea's Hanwha and Lumcloon Energy Group, and the 50-megawatt Monterey battery storage plant. It is also important to mention that Tesla Megapacks are expected to power Apple's upcoming 240 megawatt-hour, 130 megawatt battery storage farm in Northern California. In April this year, the iPhone maker announced that it was building a big battery storage plant for its corporate headquarters in Cupertino. The project, which was approved by Monterey County's planning chief last year, is made up of 85 Tesla Megapacks and will store energy generated from a 130 megawatt solar farm in California. Speaking about Apple's upcoming big battery storage project, the company's Vice President of Environment and Social Initiatives, Lisa Jackson, noted that the 240 megawatt-hour battery storage plant would be capable of powering 7,000 homes in a day. This should help the grid in terms of stabilization, the Apple VP said. In Victoria, Australia, Tesla Megapacks will be powering a 300 megawatt, 450 megawatt-hour energy storage plant. The Victorian Big Battery is slated to be operational starting in 2022, according to the Clean Energy Council. Meanwhile, Tesla is hiring for its energy trading team to drive continual performance improvements of its battery and renewable power projects, as per the company's website. Recently, the electric vehicle maker posted a job position calling for a senior energy trading analyst in Palo Alto, California, to support the company's utility-scale battery fleet and virtual power plants. According to the job description on Tesla's website, the company will be using an in-house automated trading platform referred to as Autobidder, for which expertise and the candidate will be tasked to bid batteries into several different wholesale energy markets and ensure assets meet market rules as well as contractual obligations. The demand for Tesla's solar and storage energy storage projects has remained strong, with Tesla's CEO Elon Musk noting in the company's second quarter 2021 earnings call that battery storage deployments and solar installations tripled year over year. The surge in energy deployments was mainly due to Tesla's Megapack batteries, which Mr. Musk noted are already sold out through the end of 2022. Mr. Musk added that the company's residential solar roof products would come ready with Powerwalls. Tesla plans to hit an annualized rate of 1 million Powerwalls by 2022, though this could change considering the global semiconductor shortages. The automaker strongly believes that battery energy storage systems are absolutely necessary as many nations start transitioning to sustainable energy sources like solar power and wind. In a white paper shared with Australia's Energy Security Board, the company noted that battery storage can effectively substitute thermal plants by supplying a steady flow of electricity. Besides pushing for the design of steady and low-emission battery storage and solar products for Australians, Tesla Energy has taken the next step in becoming an electricity supplier in various countries, including the United States, Australia, and Texas specifically. In August, a subsidiary of Tesla Motors, Tesla Energy Ventures submitted applications to the Public Utility Commission of Texas to become a retail energy provider. Tesla's move to begin marketing electricity in Texas comes at the right time when the transition to renewable grids is becoming viable, thanks to President Biden's $1 trillion infrastructure bill that calls for changes at U.S. electrical grids. Tesla has expanded its solar business to include residential solar products, which significantly contributes to its overall revenue. Recently, the company ditched its solar panel subscription service for traditional cash or loan purchasing options, according to its online solar configurators. The subscription-based payment option was launched in the United States 2 years ago and has enabled homeowners to pay an affordable monthly fee for solar panels at their homes. Chargers were extremely budget-friendly, with some customers getting Tesla's solar panel system installed at their residences for no cost or contract. Tesla also offered other incentives to enable consumers to benefit from a monthly subscription fee of $65 for the service. Tesla's subscription service effectively reduced the cost barrier of entry, as an average 2,500 square foot home would cost approximately $20,000 to install the whole solar panel unit. It made solar options more affordable to consumers who were not able to break their banks for sustainable energy. Tesla has continued to make changes in its solar business by deploying several more systems with different energy ratings and at very low prices. For instance, the automaker has begun utilizing new 420-watt solar panels and using third-party installers to fast-track deployment. Collectively, these changes have resulted in an upsurge of solar deployment, which accounted for 85 megawatts in the second quarter of 2021, an increase of 215% year over year. Solar deployments reached 85 megawatts in the second quarter, more than tripling year over year. Additionally, cash or loan solar deployments more than quadrupled year over year. Solar roof deployments grew substantially, both year over year as well as sequentially in the second quarter. Thus far, Tesla's solar and storage products remain very popular, and we continue to improve the efficiency of our installation crews, Tesla wrote in its second quarter 2021 report. The rationale behind Tesla's getting rid of its subscription program is still unknown. However, we assume the company was not seeing many of its customers utilize the subscription option, as more and more homeowners may have opted to finance or buy the system outright. With Tesla's energy trading team in place, a working solar purchase program, and battery storage technology, the company could be a disruptor in another growing energy market.